Let's discuss the friends limit on Snapchat. Snapchat sets limits on the number of friends you can have on your profile, as well as limits on the number of friends you can add each day. I'll walk you through the steps and offer solutions if you run into any issues with these limits. Snapchat acknowledges these limitations in their support article on troubleshooting problems with adding friends. If you find that you can't add new friends, it could be due to two reasons. The first reason, too many friends. If you reach your friends limit, which is currently 6,000, Snapchat recommends deleting some old friends to make room for new ones. Simply go to your friends list, tap on the profile of someone you no longer want to keep as friend, and delete them. The second reason, adding friends too quickly. Snapchat also limits the number of friends you can add in one day. This is usually between 100 or 130 friends per day. If you add more than this limit, you will have to wait until the next day to resume adding new friends. Keep in mind that despite the friends limit, other users can follow your public Snapchat profile without being added as a friend. To manage your friends list and overcome these limitations, follow the steps below. Click on chats in the bottom left corner or go through your entire friends list. If there are friends you are no longer in touch with, hold and select Manage Friendships. Tap Delete if you want to remove a specific friend. This action will make room to add new friends. I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I will be happy to help you. See you in the next issue.